In this video, I will show you how to auto-sign pictures on TikTok. Firstly, when you open up your site on your TikTok, you need to create on that section with plus icon, and you need to go on the upload section. Here on the video sites, you need to choose, for example, 3 or 4 videos and then go next. And when you get there, you'll need to wait to take up that loading session. Now as you can see, I have the chance to go next, right down. Then here, if you go for adjust clips, now here as you can see you have getting up to add link, but I'm gonna get back and I will go adjust links again. Here guys, as you can see I have that sound signs. Just go click on that selection because it is better for your setup section. And now as you can see right down, you have also auto signs. Go click on that selection, and with this you're gonna get up all these pictures or all these videos. It doesn't matter if it's on videos or if it's on pictures. It is the same process with the same simple steps.